Hello, welcome back to Physics Teacher. This is just a quick video to introduce you some of the new things that I have here, mainly the Physics Teacher official website. So if you go to my channel, you can click on the website, and here I have all the resources that I use with my videos. You can download all the handouts for grade 11 U Physics, 12 College Physics, 12 University Physics, 11 UC Math, and the grade 12 Calculus and Vectors Math course. I also have handouts for Python, which I've been running a video series on that, and I'm also starting to create a video series for office skills as well, like Microsoft Word and Excel. Those will appear there shortly. Now all the videos are up top and they're organized, right? So if you wanted to look at 11 University Physics videos, they are all here in order, along with any of the other courses that you'd want to look up. I also have all my whiteboard animation videos here, which are for grade 11 and 12 physics, some of the more challenging problems that can be offered. And finally, I have my science demos. Currently, there's only 3. Right? There's going to be a lot more once the lockdown ends and I can be back in school. I have my video game physics video. There's only 3 there, but I'm currently working on 4 others. A Minecraft one, a second Roblox one for Shark Bite, a Rocket League one, and a Grand Theft Auto 5 one. Lastly, we have our computer skills here. This is where you can go look at the current Python videos that I'm making. Right? More will be coming shortly, along with some algodo simulations, right? Which is requires no coding skills, but great to actually create your own labs and test physics on them. So I currently have 2, but more are coming. And then those office techniques that are coming. Second thing I want to formally introduce to you here. This is Choco. She's my dog. Right? And you may have seen her in quite a few of my videos because she constantly loves to just lie here whenever I am doing anything.